Kaya boss, kung nahihirapan ka, tulungan kita. Pita. Oh.
20 lang yan, boss.
20? Bakit?
Luksan mo na eh.
Binuksan na yun, nahihirapan ka, tinulungan lang kita.
Hindi naman ako nagpapatulong sa'yo eh. Nagbebenta ako eh.
Ano bagong style yan ah?
O, 20. Bayad mo dyan.
Pambira. Patay tayo sa'yo. Bagong style yan ah.
Salamat, boss ha. Susunod ulit.
Uulit ka ba? Tayo na mo!
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of.